Okay, I'm messing up my car. I got the striker latches for the hardtop. Previously, I used a janky workaround to get that to connect. Those work. But now I'm adding this in here. So when you mount this, I read some things online, but I couldn't find a video for it. So apparently you mount this, and then once you do that, you can get your striker, and you got this piece that I guess you could take off, but ain't nobody got time for that. And then this tucks under there and matches here. So then where it's flush here, like these areas will cover up where you mess up, and then your screws go in there. But I'm gonna give that a go. I got my Dremel that I just figured out how to use, and let's see what it looks like. There's cloth here, so we're gonna move this out, but you can see where the holes are that match up where the screws should go. All right, and that appears, I think I got it about good. Got the bolts to go on where they need to go, and then pushed it in. I had tested and mounted with the wrong side. Keep in mind, this side goes where it kind of angles towards the back. So I had the heel raised for the front. But yeah, I think that's about good. I'll go try the other side, see how it goes. Bye. When I was babbling about the slant, you see this side is slanted a little bit differently. So this goes on the driver's side, and the other one was for the passenger side. So when you put it on, that makes a difference.